Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. You're currently tuned in to the Knowledgeable Trader, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about what is Forex. I want to teach you guys a deep understanding of what Forex truly is and how it works. I want to teach you about apps that you can use in your Forex trading career. Stay tuned and watch till the end to understand what really goes on. I'll explain to you how this all works. On one side we have the euro, on one side we have the dollar. The euro is the base, it's what you are using to trade the other currency. Then the dollar is the code, it's what you're buying or selling using the base. So let me give an example. Let's say I have €1 right now in my pocket, then I decide to fly to America for a month or so. Then in that month in America, the price of the euro, price of €1 would be €1 is equals to $1. Then after a month ends and I'm about to leave, I find out that €1 now is actually equals to $1.50 or $1.50. Would have increased by 50 cents. And this is a great example of how Forex actually works and what Forex actually. The difference between this example and actual Forex trading is that in Forex trading, you actually have to use candlesticks and candlestick patterns to try understand what's really going on in the market and to give you a bias on what to do with your trade, whether to sell or to buy. But more on that on the next video. And if you want to see the next video, subscribe and like and comment, and don't forget to hit that notification button to be notified when I drop another video. In order for you to be able to see these candlesticks and these candlestick trading patterns, you need to download the app like MetaTrader 5 or TradingView. Let's get into TradingView so I can show you what's really going on. This app is used by brokers to show charts and candles, or maybe lines if you want to use lines, and it helps you to analyze the markets and to see what's really going on and to find a bias on what you are planning to do. These right here are the candles. These are what the markets actually do, and this right here shows you the volume. This is how much mine was put into like a single candle, or how much volume was traded into a single candle. This is an indication of how volatile or how much movement there is in the market. Apps are used to aid you in your trading career. They are meant to help you to be able to understand what's going on in your trading career or the charts or whatever the candlesticks may be using. But my personal favorite is actually MetaTrader 5. This map might not be available on iOS because of the sanctions that were directed towards Russia, because MetaTrader might have some ties with Russia. Not only that, but this app allows you to log into any broker very easily. Let me give you an example. All you have to do is just come in here, find your broker, type in whatever broker it may be, then you add in your login details, then boom, it's as simple as that. You have your broker on your MetaTrader app. You can make real accounts and demo accounts, but your phone already comes with its own demo account. From the get-go, MetaTrader 5 gives you a demo account to teach you how MetaTrader really works. It's like a tutorial of what you can use on MetaTrader and where you can find them. I personally love this app because it has many functions. Conclusion, that's all that I have to say about what is Forex. If you want me to teach you guys more about what is Forex and all the things that happen around Forex, you need to like, subscribe and comment, And don't forget to press the notifications button to alert you when I drop a new video, so that I can help so that the algorithm could help me tailor more videos that are more helpful to you guys and your trading plan. This is the Knowledgeable Trader signing out. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Thank you.